So hello friend, good morning. So here we discuss fifth question. Okay. In previous video we discussed at the fourth question. Now we discuss fifth question. Exercise 2.2. Okay. So written hi. Fifth question written here. 3t minus 2 divided by 4, that is minus 2t plus 3 divided by 3 is equals to 2 divided by 3 minus 3. Okay, so here is LHS, that is RHS. So take LHS. Okay, first, so 3t minus 2, that is 3t minus 2, take denominator same, so LCM is 12. Multiply in this portion 3 and multiply in this portion 4. 2t plus 3 is equals to RHS 2 by 3 minus t. So what we do? 3 multiplying 3t minus 2, that is 9t minus 2 3 are 6 minus 4 2 are 8t minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 12 divided by 12 is equals to 2 3 minus t. Okay, so 9t minus 8t, that is t, minus 6 minus 12 minus 6 minus 12, that is 18 divided by 12. Here we can take 3t minus 2 minus 3t in RHS divided by 3. So what we do? Cross multiplication. So 3t minus 18 3 are 3 8 are 24, 52. Okay, 54, 54, and here is 12 2 are 24 minus 30 60. Right, take 36 here. Okay, 3t minus plus 30 60 is equals 24 plus 54. If we take 3 common, then answer come t plus 12t is equals to 4 6 4 6 10 2 5 7 8 4 6 0 5 2 7, that is 10. 10 54 12 to the t minus 18. Okay, 8 minus 6 4 minus 12 minus 12 minus minus is minus 12 here 3 2 minus 3t, that is 3t minus 54 12t 24. Okay, 24 okay, 2 3 2 t, that is 2 plus 24 2 4 ja, I think 88 here. Okay, just wait. 90 minus 80 plus 30 60 3t 30 60, that is 39t. Take here 24 minus 54, that is 54. So 4 4 8 5 2 7. Okay, so that is t value is 78 divided by 39 is 2. T value is 2. Now we check, put value t in this equation, check t value true or not. So what we do? Checking the value at t is equals to 2. Okay, checking the value t is equals to 2. Now we check. Now we check the value at t is equals to 2. Take 2, put in this equation. So 3, where is 2 t? Put 2. 3 into 2 minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2 into 2 plus 3 divided by 2 is equals to 2 divided by 3 minus 2. Okay, so take LHS. LHS 3 to the 6 minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2 to the 4 plus 3 divided by 2. 2 and take LCM, that is 2 minus 3 to the 6. Okay, so 6 minus 2 4 divided by 4 minus 4 3 7 divided by 2. Here 2 minus 6, that is minus 4 divided by 3. If you take 1 cancel out, then 1 minus 7 by 2 is equals to minus 4 by 3. Here take LCM same, 2 minus 7, 2 minus 7, 1 1 4 3 7. 2 to the 4, that is 4 plus 3. Where is 2? 2 to the 4, that is 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 divided by 2. 6 minus 2, that is 4. 4 1 2 7. Okay, 2 minus 7 is equals to minus 4 by 3. 3 to the 6, 2 minus 4. Okay, so 4 by 3. So here is minus 2 correct. 3 to the 6 minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2. Where is t? Put value 2. Okay, 2 into 2 plus 3 divided by 3 divided by 3. Okay, 3, that is 4 4 here, 3 here, 7 by 3 here. So 7 by 3, when 3 take 3 minus 7, so 3 minus 7, that is minus 4 divided by 3. So minus 4 by 3. Okay, so that means t is equals to 2 is correct value. T is, so write here was written in bold. So write in your copy. Okay, so right now we discuss sixth question. Sixth question is given m minus in m minus 1 divided by 2 is equals to 1 minus m minus 2 divided by 3. Okay, so written here sixth question. Sixth question, m minus 1 divided by 2 is equals to 1 minus m minus 2 divided by 3. Then what do first written? Now we solve the equation. Solve the equation. Okay, so here is LHS, it is RHS. Okay, so take LHS, m minus 1 divided by 2, 2m minus m. Multiplication of minus in both, that is minus minus plus, m plus 1 divided by 2, 2m minus 1 m plus 1 divided by 2. And in RHS take 3 is LCM, so 3 minus m plus 2. Okay, so 3 minus 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. 5 minus m divided by 3. So here 5 minus m divided by 3. So take m by 2 plus 1 by 2. We can take as a different m by 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay, m by 3 minus 5 by 3 minus m by 3. So take a variable at one side, constant at one side. Okay, so m by 2 plus m by 3 and 5 by 3 minus 1 by 2. So 3m plus 2m. 3m plus 2m. LCM is 6. Here LCM is 6. 2 5 ja 10 minus 3 1 ja 3. So 3m plus 2m is equals to 5m. 5m divided by 6. Okay, 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 divided by 6. So we can cancel out 6 because both in denominator. Okay, so we easily cancel out 6. So value is m is equals to 7 by 5. Okay, value m is equals to 7 by 5. Now we check putting this equation, m is equals to 7 by 5. If LHS is equals to RHS, that means value is true. Okay, so now we put value put value at m is equals to 7 by 5. Okay, so written m here, 7 by 5 minus 7 by 5 minus 1 divided by 2, okay, is equals to 1 minus 7 by 5 minus 2 divided by 3. So what we do, first written, take 5 multiply here, so 7 by 5 minus 7 by 5 take minus 1, here written as it is 2. So 7 by 5 LCM is 5, 7 minus 5 on 5, okay, here 1 minus, take 3 as it is, so 7 by 5 minus 2. So here we can write 7 by 5 minus 7 5 2. 5 comes in denominator, so value is 10 is equals to 1 minus, if you take LCM 5 here, so 5 7 minus 5 divided by 3, okay. So here LCM is 10. LCM is 5 to 10, okay. So yes, so 5 10, so what we multiply in 5 2, that is 14 minus 2, okay, is equals to 1. 7 minus 5 is 2, 1 minus 2 divided by 13, m is equals to 7 by 5. So what come here, 7 by 10. Here 13 minus 1 is equals to minus 2 divided by 13. That is, I do something wrong. 7 minus 5, 7 by 5 minus 7 by 5 minus 1 divided by 2. So take 5 minus 7, 2. 7 minus 5, 2, 2 is 10, 7 by 5. Okay. So here written 1 minus 7 by 5 minus 2 division 3. Okay, so 7 by 5 is 3. So 1 minus 7 by 5 minus 7 by 5 minus 5. So here we can written 10, okay, 10 here. Because 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10. So 10, that is 7 minus 3, here is 50. Minus 3 divided by 5, 50. 15 minus 3, that is 12. Here is 12 divided by 10. Here is 12, 15 minus 3, 12 divided by 15. Seven by 5. So we can written here with 5 m is equals to 7 by 5, then value LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, here comes 10 something fault here. Okay, so we can, if you can saw, then understand what fault. So if m is equals to 7 by 5, value is LHS is equals to RHS. Okay. So now we solve one question who's remaining in previous video. I think their value is not correct, so solve in this video. Okay, so value is 5x minus 2. Question is 5x minus 2 minus 2 bracket 2x minus 7 is equals to 2 in bracket 3x minus 1 plus 7 by 2. It's exercise question of exercise question of example question of 2, chapter 2. So what we written here, 5x, so take LHS. So what we written, 5x multiplied 2 in both, 4x minus 14. Okay, so here 2 3 ja 6x multiplied 2 in both, so 2 is plus 7 by 2. Okay, so what we written, 5x minus 4x, that is x minus 14. minus minus plus, so plus 14. Okay, minus 5x minus 14. So here we retain 6x minus LCM is 2. Here 4 plus 7 minus 4 plus 7. So 6x plus 3 divided by 2. Here x plus 14. So what we retain? X, that is variable portion x and 6x. So x minus 6x, or we can write 14 minus 3 by 2 is equals to 6x minus x. So 2 for the 28. 28 minus 3 divided by 2. Here 6x minus x is 5x. So 28 minus 3, that is 25 divided by 2 is equals to 5x. So what we retain? 5x. X is equals to 25 divided by 5 into 2. So we easily cancel out 5. 5 is 25. So x value is 5 by 2. Okay. You retain in your copy first. X is equals to 5 by 2. So now what we do? Check value. X is equals to 5 by 2 or not. So what we retain? Now check the value at x is equals to 5 by 2. Next question I move also. So here question is 5x minus 2, 2x minus 7 is equals to 2, 3x minus 1 plus 7 by 2. So what we do? X is equals to 5 by 2 in solution. So putting here 5 into 5 by 2 minus 2 into 5 by 2 minus 7 is equals to 2. Where is x? Put x is equals to 5 by 2. 3, 5 by 2 minus 1 plus 7 by 2. Okay. So what we do? 5 5 is 25. 25 divided by 2 minus 2. 2 5 is 10. 10 minus 14 divided by 2. So first we solve this question. Okay. So okay. So 25 divided by 2. That is 2 and 10 minus 4, 4 by 2. If we return 25 minus 2 4 ja 8 divided by 2. So 25 minus 8 is equals to, I think, 17. 17 by 2 in LHS. And in RHS, take 2, 3 5 ja 15. 15 minus 2 minus 1 plus 7 by 2. Okay. What we do here? Take denominator equal. So 2 into 15 minus 2 is 13 divided by 2 plus 7 divided by 2. 13 2 ja 26. Okay. 26 divided by 2 plus 7. 7 6 13. 33 divided by 2. Different 2 3x minus 1 plus 7 by 2. So 2 into 3 5 by 2 minus 1 plus 7 by 2. So 2 3 5 is 15 divided by 2 minus 7 plus 7 by 2. So here take 2 LCM, then 13 by 2. 2 multiply 2 plus 7 by 26 plus 7, that is 27. 7 6 13 33. Here is correct. So here 5 into 5 by 2 minus 2. 2 into 5 by 2 minus 7, that is correct. 5 5 is 25 minus 2. 2 5 is 10 minus 2 5 is 10 minus 14. Take 2 here. 10 minus 14, that is minus 4 here. Minus 4 plus minus 2 plus 8. 20 33. 33 divided by 2 is equals 33 divided by 2. That means value of x is equals to 5 by 2 is correct in this equation. Okay. So here proof LHS is equals to RHS. We can easily here written LHS is equals to RHS. That means x is equals to 5 by 2 exists here. In this equation, x is equals to 5 by 2 exists. Written in your copy. So 2.26 question is ending here. Now we solve 7th question. It's exercise of chapter 2. In previous video something wrong, so I think I say in after video I solve this question. So take 7th question. 7th question what says? First say simplify and solve the following linear equation. Okay. So 7th question. Water in the cooling. 7th is 3t minus 3 is equals to 5 2t plus 1. So take LHS and RHS. Now first what we do, solve the LHS and RHS, find value of t, then put value t in this equation, check the value true or not. So what we do, take 3. Now now we solve the equation. Now we solve the equation. Okay, so multiply 3t minus 9 is equals to 5 to the 10t. 10t plus 5. Multiply 5 in both. Okay. So here is variable part 3t and 10t. Constant part is minus 9 and plus 5. So what we do in previous video I says take variable at one side, constant at one side. Okay. So 3t minus 10t is equals to 5 plus 9. So 3t minus 10t minus 7t. 70 is equals to 5 9 40. So t value is minus 2. Okay. Divide by 14, divide by 7. So 7 to the 14. T value is minus 2. Now we check value at t is equals to minus 2. T is equals to minus 2 value is true or not. So here written. Now we check the value at t is equals to minus 2. Okay. So we are written t multiply by minus 2. So 3 t के place पे minus 2 minus 3. Okay, is equals to 5 2 into minus 2 plus 1. Okay. So what we written here 3 solve minus 2 minus 3, that is minus 5 is equals to 5 2 to the 4 minus 4 plus 1. So here minus 15 and here 5 minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3 minus 15 is equals to minus 15. So here LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, LHS is equals to RHS. That means t is equals to minus 2 is correct here in this question. Okay, so you written your copy, then I discuss another section. If anything you don't understand, then please in comment box says. One question discuss 8th like 8th. So 8th given is last question discuss in this video. So discuss in another video. 9th, 10th and chapter 3. So in 8th question given 15 y minus 4. Okay, minus 2 y minus 9 is equals plus 5 y plus 6 is equal to 0. So here written LHS portion given this part, RHS only 0. Okay. So what we prove here, LHS is equals to 0. That means y is equals to first find y, then put y value, then find in LHS portion also 0. That is LHS is equals to RHS. That means given value is correct. Okay. So first what we do, find value of y. So now solve the equation. So multiply 15 in both. So 15y minus 60 Okay, minus 2y minus minus plus plus 18 plus 5y plus 5 6 are 30. Okay, so take variable portion at one side. So 15y minus, here not sign change because it's not given after equal, here given before equal, so not sign change, as it is we retain. So 5y minus plus 5y, that is minus 60 plus 18 plus 30 is equals to 0. So 15y minus 2y, 13y, 13y plus 5y is equals to 18y. 18y here written minus 6, 18 or 18 and 30 is equals to 48. When 48 divide minus in 60, that is 10 2 and 5 12. Okay, 12 is equals to 0. That is y is equals to 12 divided by 18. If you cancel out, then by 6, 6 2s are 12 and 6 3s are 30. That is y is equals to 2 by 3. Okay, y is equals to 2 by 3. Now what we do? Check value LHS is equals to RHS or not. So what we do? Simply put value y. So you written in your copy, then first. We can easily here. So put in, now we check value. Now we check value at y is equals to 2 by 3. Okay, so given equation, put value 2 by 3. I think here space is less, so you write first, then written in above. Y is equals to 2 by 3. Y is equals to 2 by 3. So what we written here? Now check the value at y is equals to 2 by 3. Okay, so at y is equals to 2 by 3. So what we do? 15 multiply 2 by 3 minus 60 minus 2 multiply 2 by 3 plus 18 plus 5 multiply 2 by 3 plus 30. Okay, that is LHS portion. LHS. In RHS given 0. RHS given 0. Okay, so we can cancel out 5 jar. So 2 5s are 10 minus 60. Here written 2 2s are 4 divided by 3 plus 18. Here written 2 5 2s are 10 divided by 3 plus 30. Okay. Yes. So okay. So 10 minus 60 is equals to minus 50. And take both rational number at one place. So 18 plus 30 is equals to 48. So 48. And when take 3 minus 4 plus 10, that is plus 6 divided by 3, that is 2. Okay, so minus 50 plus 50. 48 plus 2 is equals to 50. So minus 50 plus 50 is equals to 0. So we can easily say here LHS portion is also 0. That is LHS is equals to RHS. So LHS is equals to 0 and RHS already given in question, that is 0. So 0 is equals to 0. That means LHS is equals to RHS. Okay. So that shows ki y's value true in this equation. 2 by 3. Okay. So thank you. Another question discuss in next video. So thank you. Namaskar.